Hello everyone. In this demo I'm going to show you how to use date command, calendar command, and uptime command. The date command displays the current date. I'm going to type the command date, then hit enter. As we can see here, this is the current date. Now if I would like to display the version of this command, I'm going to type the command, then the option, long notation, so dash version, then I hit enter. As you can see here, it shows information about the date command. Now if I would like to display the calendar of the current month, I'm going to type CAL, then I hit enter. As you can see here, this calendar for this current month. Now if I would like to display the calendar of a specific month, I'm going to type only CAL, then the month, for example June 2020, then I hit enter. Seeing that if I would like to show like say January 2020 and hit enter, the same thing. If I want to show the December 2022, it's going to show the same thing here. Now if I would like to show the current time, and I would like also to show how many users are currently logged into the system, and display also the load average, I'm going to use the command uptime. So this is the uptime command. As we can see here, it shows the current time, and then it shows up to what it's running up to. The system is up and running for 1 hour right now, and here it shows how many users. We have only one user right now, is currently logged into the system. Then it shows here the load average. Now if I would like to show the uptime in a pretty format, so I'm going to type uptime, then dash P. As you can see here, it shows the uptime in a pretty format. And same thing if I would like to show it in a long notation, it's going to show me the same output, but this time will be dash pretty. If I would like to show system up since time, for example, like uptime, then dash S. So it's this running since up this time. Same thing if I would uptime dash since, is going to show us the same output. If I would like to show the version, so we'll say uptime, then dash and uppercase V. You can see here is to display the version information. You can do the same thing if I want to run a long notation. If I would like to find more information about the uptime command, I'm going to go to the man page. You can see here information about this command and also the options, and go back. Also the same thing if I would like to get more information about the calendar, man calendar or CL, same thing. More information about the date, same thing, man date, and I go to the date page. I'm gonna go back. That's conclude our session. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.